So without going into too terribly much detail about all of the cards, you can go in to the bottom corners and it'll tell you the number and what set. So like this Dark Gyarados is 8 of 82, and if we type that into eBay as a search result, it'll pull up. So like you can see here that this Dark Gyarados 8 of 82 comes up, and when we search this, we can see that the highest value for a US sale is $700 in the last 90 days. And a few of those have sold at that price. The Umbreon comes in at $200 to $500. The Flareon First Edition Jungle comes in between $200 and $300. The Vaporeon, once again, $200 to $400. The Dragonite X has a peak value of $1,200 it sold for recently, and balances out in the $300 to $400 range. Mewtwo-X, this is between $400 and $500. Nines are down in the $200 range. Raws are down in the $100 range. And the Charizard Power Keepers Reverse comes in about $600 to $700. And then it's a matter of sending these in to get graded and what grade they come back in, and then putting them on a marketplace and selling them. So go ahead and let me know what kind of cards you guys have. Did you ever catch any Pokemon? And what'd you do with them? You got them in a binder. Sometimes a binder's not the best way to store these things. We'll talk about that later. It can definitely damage and or ruin some cards. What's the best card that you've sold, if you've sold any of these? And what would you do with this? Do you send them to PSA, CGC, Beckett's? What's your favorite company to send them into and why? Be sure to subscribe. We're going to do some giveaways soon, and appreciate you guys for being here. Thanks a lot.